Welcome, my friend. Today, I invite you on a journey of discovery. We will explore the small but mighty seed known as Bitter Kola. This seed carries tradition, healing secrets, and cultural respect across generations. Its bitter taste hides centuries of wisdom and modern scientific interest. In this video, we'll understand what Bitter Kola truly is. We'll explore its common uses for health, culture, and daily life. We'll uncover possible side effects and the importance of moderation. By the end, you'll see why this little seed is truly unforgettable. Bitter Kola, known scientifically as Garcinia Kola, grows in African evergreen forests. For generations, ancestors used it as food, medicine, symbol, and spiritual tool. When guests arrive, Bitter Kola may be offered as a deep sign of respect. In prayers or ceremonies, Bitter Kola is often part of the ritual. When tired, coughing, or losing appetite, people turn to Bitter Kola first. This bitter seed is a bridge between tradition, body, spirit, and science. In life, people face fatigue, weakness, and loss of stamina daily. Illness comes, cough, congestion, fever, and stubborn infections disturb our health. The liver suffers from heavy food, alcohol, and even harsh medicines. Hunger swings, sometimes no appetite, other times excessive cravings for food. Humans also need respect, belonging, and connection within community. Bitter Kola supports all these areas with strength and natural healing power. Science confirms compounds like colavirin protect the liver and strengthen immunity. Bitter Kola boosts immunity and fills the body with strong antioxidant power. It supports liver health, protecting against damage and cleansing waste naturally. It relieves cough, cold, and chest congestion when chewed or brewed. It brings natural energy and alertness, reducing daily tiredness effectively. It helps digestion and appetite, either stimulating or reducing hunger when needed.
It is believed to improve male vitality, fertility, and overall stamina.
It carries cultural respect, used in blessings, oaths, gifts, and community bonding. Bitter Kola is sold in African local markets by farmers and herbal traders. It is common in Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and across West Africa. Today, it also travels abroad, sold online to African diaspora communities. Chew Bitter Kola raw, usually 1 or 2 seeds at a time. Boil it in water to prepare natural tea for coughs and colds. Grind it into powder and mix with other herbal remedies. Apply seed or bark as poultice for wounds and inflammation. Always remember, moderation is very important with natural remedies. Imagine chewing Bitter Kola each morning instead of processed energy drinks. At first, the sharp bitterness shocks, but soon the body feels awake. Mouth feels clean, chest opens, and mind becomes sharp and alert. In evenings, sharing Bitter Kola strengthens friendship and community respect. In ceremonies and prayers, Bitter Kola becomes companion of harmony. Imagine life with stronger immunity, a healthier liver, and clear breathing. Imagine having natural energy without dependence on artificial stimulants. Imagine children learning Bitter Kola as heritage, not strange medicine. Imagine communities prospering and bonding around this small, powerful seed. Do not let Bitter Kola remain just a story you heard. Taste it, explore it, and share its value with family. Respect it, but use moderately, especially with other medicines. Always buy fresh, clean seeds from trusted sources and farmers. Join people keeping this powerful heritage alive across generations. Support farmers and herbalists who cultivate and prepare it.
Share your experiences, because Bitter Kola is about community connection.
Bitter Kola teaches what tastes bitter may heal the body. Sometimes, bitterness to the tongue brings sweetness to the soul. Remember, this little brown seed is medicine, story, and bridge. A bridge between past heritage and future generations worldwide. Comment below and share your experience with our garden family.